Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you what I do to get ready for a trip. So as you can see, I just got my lashes done. I got them done a couple hours ago. I always go to my girl Carla. Her name is @doll_lashes with 3 S's, I believe. And this is the hybrid set. I usually get the hybrid set because it's just the perfect combination. I got my lashes done and then I went to the mall. I picked up a couple things and then now I'm back at home. I'm about to get my nails and my toes done with my boyfriend. He's gonna be getting his toes done too. I will see you when we get to the nail salon. So it's pretty late. I didn't film much today, but it is 8:33. Yes, so it's 8:33 and I am now home. I just wanted to show you guys what I got today from the mall. So I only went to H&M. I didn't do much damage. I actually didn't do any damage, really. Well, I guess spending money is damage, but anyways, I only got 4 things and one of them wasn't even for myself. So the first thing I got was on sale. It is this square neck one piece. It's like a bodysuit and it is in a small. It's from their basics collection and this says $8, but it was actually $4, so I got this for $4. It was a steal. Okay, and then the next item I got was just a basic gray bodycon dress. It's like ribbed. And then I got I got 2 pairs of earrings. They're literally the same exact kind. I got 2 because I got one for my sister and one for me, but I don't know where mine is. So either I lost it or it's at my boyfriend's house. So I'm just hoping it's at my boyfriend's house, because if not, then I just lost the pair of earrings, but it's fine. They're really cute, so if I can find them, I will insert a picture right here. And if this is empty by the time you see it, then I lost it. Last Saturday, I went to a yard sale and an estate sale with my mom and my boyfriend. I found a couple things. So I found these high-waisted vintage looking, well, honestly I don't know if they're vintage, but high-waisted denim shorts from Gap. They fit super cute. I think I might distress them, I'm not sure. I really like the way they fit, so I might just keep them. And then I also found this Ralph Lauren like button up. I really liked the way like the colors were, so I think I was gonna wear them. I was gonna wear this like off the shoulder and tied, but there's tons of different ways to wear button-ups like this, so I got it. And it was only like, I think like $2 from like a yard sale. So I got that, and then I got this thing from a yard sale. It's like this vintage looking like pink cover-up. I was just gonna wear it like over a bathing suit. I thought it'd be really cute. So we'll just see how this turns out, because I haven't even tried this on. That is all I got for this week. Oh, another thing that I do to get ready for a trip is I will do face masks, just so that I can cleanse my face, make sure that it looks poppin', so that I can take these vacation pics. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of people ask me what I use on my skin, and on a regular basis I use these products. There's one that's not pictured, well 2 that aren't pictured that are at my boyfriend's house, so I'll show you those when I get there. But I use the apple cider vinegar with the Aztec Secret Indian healing clay. So I use this whenever I have really bad acne. So if I have bad acne, then I'll use it like every other day, just because it says that you can use it as often as you need to. And I tone my face with 100% natural witch hazel. I use like a cotton pad, and then I'll just put it like, you know, I'll wipe it all over my face. And I'll use this after I wash my face, but before my moisturizer. I use this face wash with the St. Ives apricot scrub, so I use both of those. I change it up. Most people don't like the apricot scrub because supposedly the little thingies in it cut your skin, but it works great for my skin, so I use it. And I use this, and like I said, I use this daily, but I'll use the apricot scrub like once a week or twice a week depending on how my skin is. And then I use this to moisturize. These two together are like bomb. But these are my day-to-day holy grail skin products. There you have it, guys. The secret is out. It is most definitely like 2 days after that last clip, because I didn't feel like doing a face mask that night after I showered, and then I didn't do anything the day after. So now it's Friday. It's literally the day before my trip. We're leaving at 3 in the morning, so I still need to pack. So I just thought that I'd show you guys I guess a montage of me packing and what I need to pack, and then later on I will do a face mask because I haven't properly like exfoliated or washed my face since I got my lashes done. So I need to do that, and then yeah, that'll be it. Change of plans. Packed everything into this duffel bag. I managed to pack everything in there. So I have I'm not even about to fake like it's like organized. I mean, it's kind of organized, but like the top is like messy. But I have like my shirts and dresses and stuff on that side, and then I have my bottoms on this side. Bathing suits are also on this side underneath this, and then I stuffed my like my PJ shirts on top. And then I think I want these to be like my beach shoes, just because they're just the cheap ones from Old Navy. And then I have this like little fanny pack that my mom gave me, because I think we're going to be going to Universal or Disneyland, so this will be perfect. Okay, so I need to pack my shoes, and I need to pack my toiletries and my accessories. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean my shoes. So I'm going to clean my slides just so that they're clean when I wear them. So these are some of the accessories I'm bringing. I still have, I think, 2 more pairs of earrings back at my boyfriend's house that I need to get from there, but I'm going back there in like an hour. I think I'm just going to throw them in this bag. I'm going to try to like bag the, I'm just going to bag the, I guess, the necklaces separately so they don't get tangled. But for the most part, I think everything else should be fine. And then in this bag, I have like some of my essentials. So I have like 2 new toothbrushes. What is it? I have a face mask, a lip mask, a foot mask. I have a razor, my contacts. I have a new eyebrow brush. And then I'm going to be putting my contacts case in here, a little bottle of solution, I think a little bottle of moisturizer,